You need to hear this if you're a woman navigating menopause, or love someone who is. There's a new way to take control, naturally. Let's talk about it. Join us at the Better Health Center in Arnos, Vale on Saturday, December 13th at 1:30 p.m. for the Hot and Unbothered Masterclass on Menopause. You'll get 2 full hours with Dr. Jose Davy, one of St. Vincent's most trusted doctors, who's ready to help you decode your symptoms, bust the biggest estrogen myths, and finally master menopause naturally. Forget the confusion and fear. This isn't just a talk, it's an experience designed to empower you with real answers and practical strategies. Plus, the first 5 to register score a complimentary signed copy of the Vagina Manual, the ultimate guide to women's health. Spots are limited, so don't wait. Call 784-529-8048 now to reserve your seat. Hot flashes? Mood swings? Dr. Davies got your back. Step into this new chapter with confidence, unbothered, unstoppable, and totally in control.